Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to change the password of hidden photos on iPhone photos. For example, if you have set a password on your hidden photos on iPhone iOS 18 and you want to change that password because of some settings. So if you want to change that, so how you gonna do that? For this, what you have to do, you have simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to simply make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi or internet connection. And after that, what you have to do next is you have to simply go to settings. And here what you have to do, you have to simply go back and click on general. And here you have to scroll it down until you find the option of transfer or reset iPhone. So here you have to simply click on reset and you have to reset all of your network settings. And after that, what you have to do, you have to simply go back. And here what you have to do, you have to simply search for photos option here. And if you do not find any kind of settings related to photos, then you can simply click on that photos option available here. You can simply check the settings for all the options here. You can simply see that here is option available show hidden album also. But if you want to change the password, there is no settings available. Now how you can do that is, for this what you have to do, you have simply open the photos and here you have to simply click on hidden. So if you have Face ID, then you can simply use your Face ID as your password. And if you want to change it, then you have to simply change your Face ID, and after that your password will also be changed. So now iPhone hidden photos work on usually Face IDs, so no one except you can access your hidden photos on your iPhone. Moreover, you can also set the Face ID on any apps as require Face ID on apps. So in this way, you can simply change the settings or let it to hidden photos. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.